Our dataset of tweets contains the number of likes and the number of retweets of each tweet. Let's say we want to create a new measure with the sum of these two. This can be done by using a formula to create a new column in the table view. Drag the fields with likes and retweets to the table view to display them as columns. Click the plus sign on the right side of the table. Select Formula and select the collection that we want to work with. In this case, engagement, under which the likes and retweet fields are found. Python syntax is used for the formula, which means you have a lot of options beyond common numeric functions. The new column, let's call it engagement, equals $like count plus $retweet count. Click Apply, and we now have a new column with a sum of likes and retweets.